Hello everybody. Right now we are recycling old boots into beautiful plant pots. And we have gravel over here, which is used as drainage. We have the boots itself. We have the plants, which are beans and strawberries. We have compost. We have more compost. And we have sticks for the beans. And on the boots, if you want to have a bit more drainage, you can add holes like I asked my parents to do. And first layer is going to be stones. We're going to make sure it's laid out evenly. I filled up all the gravel and now it's time for compost. Fill the compost nearly to the top of the boots and then you're ready for planting. And now we are putting another layer of compost on. Now we are doing the second layer of strawberries. And now we need to put even more compost into the boot. Now let's sprinkle some gravel on top of the soil to make sure it doesn't dry out from the burning hot sun. Now we are going to use these two sticks to let the beans grow around it. If you want to try these amazing plant pots at home, you could use welly boots like I did, or you could use calanders. And we got really creative and used our barbecue grill as one, and it's still standing up. It's amazing how you can make anything into a plant pot. Let's find a nice place where sun can reach and it's also a bit shady so they don't get too overheated. We need to just wait and see when the strawberries and the beans will grow.